In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to launch SteamVR. If you're getting ready to use your VR headset and want to make sure SteamVR opens properly, this process is very simple and only takes a moment. I'll walk you through it clearly so you know exactly where to click and what to expect. First, open Steam on your computer and sign into your account. If Steam is already installed, just launch the app and wait for it to fully load. Make sure you're signed in before moving on, since your library and installed applications won't be accessible until Steam finishes connecting to your account. If Steam takes a few seconds to update or load your home screen, that's completely normal. Once you're inside Steam, go to your library. This is where all of your games and software are listed, including tools like SteamVR. You can usually find the library option near the top of the Steam window. Clicking into this section will bring up the full list of content connected to your account, which makes it much easier to find what you need. From there, search for SteamVR. If you have a long library, using the search bar is the fastest way to locate it. Just type in SteamVR and look for the matching result in your list. This is the application that manages the Steam virtual reality environment and helps connect your headset and VR software through Steam. If you already have it installed, it should appear and be ready to launch. After you find SteamVR, click play to launch it. Steam will begin starting the application, and you may notice a small loading window appear while the VR environment initializes. Depending on your system and connected hardware, this can take a few moments. Once it finishes loading, SteamVR should open and begin detecting your headset, controllers, and any other compatible devices. If everything is connected properly, you'll be ready to continue into your VR experience. If SteamVR doesn't seem to start right away, give it a little time to load, especially if your headset is waking up or your computer is recognizing connected devices. That's all there is to it. Open Steam, sign in, head to your library, search for SteamVR, and click play. Once you've done it a couple of times, the process becomes very quick and easy.